Stephen is the man with the hat and the metal detector. Whoa, whoa. Walking the land, he's a treasure collector. Whoa, whoa. Metal detecting and digging lots of holes, looking for anything that's old. New videos every week, so please subscribe.
I was going to make a video a bit earlier on when we got here. I say we because I'm joined today by a special guest. It's him!
Hello everybody!
It's Simon. He's come all the way across the Lancashire border into Yorkshire. We're quite lucky really because the landowner wife also is Lancastrian, so she let him on. But we haven't really done much filming, well, in fact no filming until just now because it's been terrible weather. It rained and we're sheltering now in this little woodland. It's raining really heavy now and the wind's been atrocious, so I knew I wouldn't get much. So looks like he's brought forward the break. So I think it's time now for a cake break. We're going to start the video with a cake break. But he doesn't know I've actually got him some chorley cakes for later on, which are not really cakes at all. And I've also got him some of these, look. Chumleys. Nice and warm pork pies. So, time for a pork pie break. Right, so here we go. It's cake break, it's pie break.
Cheers.
In your pie hole. Lovely. Chumleys. Look them up. In Silston, West Yorkshire.
Nice pies.
They never pay me for endorsing these. Wish you would, that's an idea.
Pork pie sponsorship. Get pork pie hat.
Thanks for reminding me. Notice a new hat. Thank you to the anonymous person who sent it to me in the post saying from a appreciative subscriber of your YouTube channel, and I haven't got a clue who it is. So if you're watching this, thank you. The size is absolutely perfect. We'll scoff these and get some more holes dug, and hopefully we'll show you some. 15 minutes later we're still standing here. Now we're eating the chorley cakes. Wow, lunch is over, rain has stopped, sun is coming through slowly, but that wind is horrific, as you can see with the trees behind me. I'm just sheltering by a wall here to block out some of the wind, and I've got a signal which I'm going to try and film. I just hope it's not too windy to do that, so I've marked it with a spade. So let's dig it. 66, 68, probably a cow tube, about 24 now. So let's see, the ground is really soft. Oh hang on, what's this? Another penknife. That's 2 penknives today. Oh well, at least I got a live dig in. Let's hope I can get some more. Super. Well, I've been here now for 4 hours and I've virtually dug nothing live on video. But I'm now in a little like dell area, as you can see around me, which is actually quite sheltered from the wind. It's still quite fierce. So this is a good time maybe to try and dig some live signals. And that's a huge buckle. Huge, probably a horse harness buckle or something like that. So I think I'll just start showing you some live digs now. And now I've said that, you watch, there'll be no signals. Anyway, get that in my bag and let's see if we can find some more signals. That's terrible. Oops. That's showing 70, not a brilliant signal, but I tell you what, let's mark that. Whoops, with a spade and dig it. Right, let's see if there's anything. Oh, it's heavy. Go in here. There's stones and stuff in the way. Never mind. That wasn't cut very well, was it? Let's start again. I ruined that hole. Ooh. About 3 holes, look, all within 3 feet of each other, and I've got 3 big buckles. Not quite sure what to make of that. Anyway, let's keep searching. Well, this is becoming stranger and stranger. The 4th hole, another big buckle, all within a 4-foot space. Now this one's not a great signal, but just out of curiosity I'm going to record it. Could it be 5 buckles on the trot? Seems a big target, I'm not quite sure where to dig. Look, 5 holes, 5 buckles. Why? I've not moved more than 4 to 5 feet from where I found the first buckle. I don't think the camera stand is in the way. Some rocks again. I think it might still be in the hole. Well, you're not going to believe this. 6 holes, 6 buckles. Right, well, I've marked it with a spade. Let's hope that the camera stand is not too close. Right, buckle number 7. Could it be buckle number 7? What is going on? This one's different, it's only showing 83. That might not be a buckle. But I've still not moved more than 6 feet away from the first buckle. Coke. No. A coin. Yep, 6pence. 1 6pence. No silver in that whatsoever. Dear me, what a sad state that is in. So that's 7 buckles and a 6pence. That's all from this one little tiny spot. And 96 again. That's got to be a buckle. Blimey. I don't understand this at all. Is it a buckle? It's in the plug. Another buckle. What? What? Don't get this. Somebody tell me what's going on here. I've not walked more than 6 feet in the last 20 minutes and I've got 8 buckles and a 6pence. What is going on? I don't believe it. 94, very high pitch again. Clear, bright signal. Both directions. Oh, thank heavens I've run out of buckles. I have no idea what that is. I can't see any profile or any legend on there at all, so your guess is as good as mine. Not sure what that came off. But it's been hand stamped with Kildwick something or other. That sounded like a good signal. I didn't turn the camera on because it sounded like a buckle. But you can see the imprint on there, and that's what it is. Is it an ambulance maybe? No. It'll probably say on there. Can't read it because it's dirty. And my eyes need replacing. That looks like a hinge off a chest or something like that. We'll never know. Right, I'm walking back to the car now to see if my headphones are charged. It's been well over an hour. They should be fully charged again. Also to get rid of some of this stuff in my bag, because it's really heavy. I'll show you what I found. This is the second time today I've had to empty it. There we go, so 27 cow tubes this morning. All sorts of stuff here today, including those 9 buckles. He's on the target.
I have some tractor light, I think. Lots of bulbies here.
Oh yeah. Oh damn. Never mind. At least the rain stopped and the sun's out.
Yeah, lovely.
Well, we've not had a great deal of luck this afternoon since we changed fields. The busy field, which was the first one we was on, was busy probably because of the cow tubes. There's not that many up here. I think I've only ever found one, and Simon's just found one. So the day hasn't really been that brilliant for making videos, but you know, it's nice being out with somebody. I prefer company. I really do enjoy the company of other people.
On my elbow. They usually do about 5 hours, and that's usually me.
We've done 6 now, haven't we? Well, we're now making our way back to the car, and swinging on the way, of course, and another buckle. There's a dozen buckles I've had today. This is the field this morning where some of the coins came from, and virtually all the cow tubes. So we've got to cross this to get back to the car. So I wonder how many more I'll get by the time I get there. Right, I'm filming this one because I am virtually right back at the car, and I'm getting an 82. I'm going to have to mark that and do a live dig because I'm fairly sure that's not a cow tube. That's better. Right, let's try and isolate it. At last, my best artifact of the day is a lead weight. Now, it looks a little bit like a Roman steelyard weight, but these are very difficult to date anyway. Anybody will tell you that, and they're all over the PAS database with huge date ranges on there. So the broad date range would probably be Roman through to late medieval. Something like that, because it's impossible to date these. But you can see here that the steel inside the lead is the remains of the suspension loop, and sometimes you can see one at the bottom, but you can't on that one. But that one, look, has been moulded into a square. Usually they're trapezoidal or at least dome shaped, but that one's purposely been made into a square. So we'll never really know what that is, but I'm happy with it. And it looks like Simon is also On a target. You what?
Last cow tube of the day.
Last cow tube. You can't guarantee they should turn your coil off. It's the right depth for a cow tube. Yay! Well, have you kept a record of how many you've got? Because I've
no, it's count them.
Oh, I got 37.
Alright, I'll do that minute. We're at 20.
Oh well, never mind. I'll declare myself the winner for the cow tubes. Right, we're just going to have a quick round up. We're back at the car. Oh, 6.5 hours to 7 hours today. That's a lot of holes. Ooh. Oh, shit, but... Ooh, no idea what that is. Well, there's my coins. One of them over-stamped. I'm not quite sure what that little one is. Now, at first I thought it was perhaps a button. But I don't really know. We've got a fair number of coins today. That was empty when you come with it.
Yeah.
Clawed clasps. Yeah. Oh, that's a Spitfire. Yeah, I've had one of those off here. That's a nice buckle, that one. Right, so that's us finished. Been a good day. 6 hours, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, something like that. Stop doing your hair. We've had a great time. It's been a long day. Started off with really bad weather, and it's finished off quite nicely. I don't know about him, but I'm going to go for a pint, defo. Yeah, he's going to go to sleep. So thanks for being with us. It's been quite a bad day video wise because of the weather conditions and the wind, but we did the best we could. If you haven't subscribed yet, just think about doing so. And if you want to come and join me and Simon, where you can find us on the Dig a Dawn and Twig the Dig metal detecting site on Facebook. Just look at it. I'll put a link in the description as well. He's one of the admins there. See, if you give him a nudge, he'll if you give him a nudge, he'll let you in, as long as you're from Lancashire. So thanks very much, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you've seen anything on the video that we've found that you've liked, and we'll catch you again another time. Thanks for being with us.
Stephen is the man with the hat and the metal detector. Whoa, whoa. Walking the land, he's a treasure collector. Whoa, whoa. Metal detecting and digging lots of holes, looking for anything that's old. New videos every week, so please subscribe.
Catch you later.